True spirituality means bringing higher awareness back into the body and everyday life. Chakra are organizational center for reception, assimilation, and expression life force energy. And the demon energy in the root chakra is the fear. So the chakra energy does not end when we reach the top chakra. Welcome, Masters. Thank you for joining. Myself, Manisha Gharge from Mumbai, India. The book that I have chosen for Swadhyaya is The Chakras, Wheels of Life, written by Anuria Judith. Anuria Judith, let's see about the author. Anuria Judith is a somatic therapist, counselor, yoga teacher, workshop leader. She is the author of Eastern Body and Western Mind. The book takes us on a journey through different level of awareness using Anuria Judith's simple and classic explanation of chakras. This book teaches us how to use our chakra to improve our health, increase our personal power, and grow spiritually. The seven chakra together form a system which connects mind, body, and spirit. The book contains total 13 chapters. Let's see one by one. The first chapter. In this chapter, the author explains that chakras are what are the chakras. Chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning wheel or disc like energy center located in our energy or etheric body. They are vertically aligned along our spine. There are seven main chakras in our body. These are root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. Chakra can be open or closed, excessive or deficient, or any of the various stages in between. It means that it can have more energy or less energy. Chakra are organizational center for reception, assimilation, and expression life force energy. The author explain it with the example like we take in feeling from people, feel it. Then if people are depressed or happy, we assimilate that. We turn that into our own feelings. Maybe express it in, oh, I am happy too, or I am sad about that too. The author explains how energy flows in the chakra system. There are two currents of energy through the chakras. Downward current, where energy is coming down from the crown chakra to root chakra, is the current of manifestation. Then, second is the upward current, where the energy is raising up from root chakra to the crown chakra, is called the current of liberation. We will see in detail current of manifestation. In current of manifestation, the author explain it with the help of idea. We must begin with an idea. Then this idea have in the seven chakra. Then this energy goes into sixth chakra, that is image, where the idea become a set of images. Then that energy goes to fifth chakra, where communication happens. The idea can be communicated into the form of the story. Then fourth chakra, relationship, where other get involved in it. Then the third chakra, where will we give it will and the energy to that idea. Then in the second chakra, where creativity, rehearsal the movements happen. Then last, the in the first chakra, root chakra, manifestation happen, the play on the physical plane in the front of audience. Now the current of liberation, upward current, where the energy in the matter is released. Uh, the solid earth loses its rigidity in the first chakra where the element is the earth. Then it becomes water in the second chakra. Then the energy of the fire. Then the energy of air. The vibration of sound happen in the third chakra. Then the radiation of light happen in the sixth chakra, and the last is the abstraction of thought. This is the upward current. Now we will see about the details about the chakras. The first chakra is the root chakra. The Sanskrit name is the Muladhara. Function is the survival and grounding. Location is the base of the spine, and the demon energy in the root chakra is the fear, and the element is the earth. Author for balancing the chakra, author explain the exercises for the root chakras, the grounding meditation, and the yoga posture. In the yoga posture, author give the idea of anapana asana, then setu bandhasana. Then we will see about the second chakra. The second chakra is the sacral chakra. The Sanskrit name is a Swadhisthana. Location is the lower abdomen, genital and womb. The element is the water, and the function of this chakra is the desire, pleasure and sexuality. The demon energy is the guilt. And the exercises for this chakra is the water meditation and yoga postures like goddess pose and pelvic rock. Then we will see about the solar plexus chakra. The Sanskrit name is Manipura. Location is the navel to solar plexus. Element is the fire. Function is the will power. The demon energy in is the same. Exercises are the empowerment meditation and yoga posture like belly push and pike pose. Now the chakra fourth, which is the heart chakra. Sanskrit name is Anahata. Location is the heart. Element is air. Function is love. Demon energy of this chakra is a grief. The exercises are the chest opener, cobra pose, and the fish pose. The chakra 5, the throat. The Sanskrit name is a Vishuddha chakra. Location is a throat. Sound is a element is a sound, and function is a communication and creativity. The demon energy in the chakra is a lies. Exercises explain that neck rolls and head lift. Now chakras 6, third eye. The Sanskrit name is Ajna Chakra. Location is the center of the head, slightly above the eyes level. Element is a light. Demon energy is illusion, and function is a seeing and intuition. The exercises are yogic eye exercise. Now seven chakra. Seven chakra is the crown chakra. Sanskrit name is the Sahasrara. Location is the top of head. Element is a thought. Function is understanding. Demon energy is attachment. And exercise is meditation. The chakra, the chakra energy does not end when we reach the top chakra. Going upward help us connect with spirit, awareness, and higher truth. Real growth happens when we come back down and live that wisdom in a daily life. The journey is completed when we come back down and live this wisdom in a daily life. On the way down, chakra act like a containers that hold and organize spiritual energy. Consciousness flow downward like rain from the sky to the earth, collecting in pools. Each chakra is like a pool that gathers and uses this energy at its own level. True spirituality means bringing higher awareness back into the body and everyday life. Thank you.
So, ma'am, one question. There are some exercises and also
Hmm.
exercises are mentioned for each chakra. How to rectify other things. This is first time I am hearing about the exercises specific to each chakras.
Okay.
Yes, author give meditation and also exercises, means yoga postures for each
Mhm.
chakra.
Mhm.
Like for every chakra, there is different yoga posture according to chakra system. मीन्स रूट चक्रा है, रूट चक्रा के लिए डिफरेंट योग पोस्चर है. देन फॉर सैक्रल चक्रा, for heart chakra, for throat chakra, there are different yoga postures are there in book. I take images from book.
Okay, okay. Very interesting. Thank you, ma'am.